Hey guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McClain here, back again with another video. As you can see, I'm still voice only with no video. Uh, yeah, it's just crazy. And I actually have made 4 videos today. I got so excited. I was like, yes, my video's back working. Where you guys could see me uploaded the videos to YouTube and then none of them worked. They all were chopped up and everything. So I don't know if these computers got protests going against me. I don't know. I don't know what is going on, but anyway, we're going to keep it rolling. We're going to let that stop us, but just thought I'd give y'all a laugh. I'm still voice only with no video, so y'all might have to deal with that for a while. But anywho, so in this video today, I want to talk to you about my newest stream of income, Digital Wealth Pros. And I just kind of want to go over how you make money with Digital Wealth Pros. Once you get the system set up, some people be like, okay, I'm set up, but what do I do? Like, how do I make money with this? So, you make money anytime someone signs up with you. There are 3 levels: the 200, the 400, and the $800 level. So, what happens is Digital Wealth Pros provides you with 4 funnels that are already set up and done for you. That's why we tell you the system is done for you, because the funnels are already created. So if you don't have a marketing system or any way to create funnels, you don't have to worry about that right now, because the system already has 4 that are set up and ready to go. Here are the links out to the side to each funnel, and then one link that goes directly to the sales page. But once someone, let's say you make a post on like Facebook or whatever, once someone sees your post and they ask for more info, that's when you go and get these links and you send them the link. And this link and these funnels will walk them through how the opportunity works, how everything works, so you don't have to sit and explain anything. The funnels do all the work for you. At the end of the funnel, it's going to take them, I'm trying to scroll up, but this thing is slow. At the end, when they watch the presentation and everything, they get to the end, it's going to give out your member ID, and it's going to show your name and your picture, and then there's going to be the number for them to call and get set up. So then, but at that point, they can ask their questions and then pick the package that they want. So again, it's a $200, a $400, and an $800 package. So you only get paid for the package that you join. So for instance, I joined the $200 package, so anyone comes in at the 800, I'm only gonna get paid the 2. If someone came at the 4, I'm only gonna get paid the 2. You see what I'm saying? If I joined the $800 package, I would get paid at the 2 and the 400. So you only basically get paid for that package that you have, unless you're at the 800 and you get paid out for all of them. Or if you're at the 400, you will get paid for the 2 and the 4, but not the 8. You see what I'm saying? The pay is instant, so it's immediate. So as soon as the person is, the call center helps them get signed up, the pay will come instantly. You can get paid through Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. Maybe some other methods, but those are the only 4 it showed me. But yeah, so the pay is instant. So you don't have to wait like a week or 2 weeks. You get your money instantly. What else can I tell you? The funnels also, like, once you sign up for the system, all this is ready. So as soon as you pay, you're going to get an email that links you to this system and the back office, and it's ready to go. The most important thing is, once you get set up and get your system, is to decide how you're going to market. If you're going to use social media, if you're going to use paid or free advertising. Let's say you go with free. Like my main choice is YouTube, as you can see. And then I also do a little Facebook marketing. I'm not the best at Facebook right now, but that's one of my methods. But I'm more focused on YouTube. But you need to pick a method of advertising your business, and then you just start using that method, learn as much as you can about how to promote with that method. And then once you get good and you start getting leads, then you move on to another method. I would give it 60 to 90 days with that one, like YouTube. I'm about to hammer down and start doing more YouTube than anything. And for the next 30, 60 to 90 days, I'm going to be strictly focused on YouTube and learning everything I can about building up my leads and sales. Now, I have been getting good results with YouTube so far. With my other opportunities, I just got into Digital Wealth Pros, but my channel is growing slowly but daily, and I just need to be more consistent. And I'm definitely very patient, and I understand how everything works. I definitely want you to understand this is a marathon, not a sprint. It is not a guarantee that you will make any income. I want you to know that when you decide to start promoting, like, let's say, like I said, you're ready to share this opportunity. You gotta understand, you gotta take action daily. You can't share this opportunity one day and sit back and wait on the money to come. You gotta promote daily. If you choose Facebook to market, then you need to use Facebook every day to build this business. You need to mainly focus on getting yourself out there. Not really focus on just slamming people with Digital Wealth Pros, but more or less sharing your journey with the system, talking about you, helping people build relationships with you, and get to know you, and give them valuable content, and give them things that will pique their interest. Just basically getting good content out there, and just letting people know. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought somebody put it in my house. Just basically sharing good content with them and piquing their interest and building relationships. Please don't take these links and just start spamming people's inbox with it. Definitely only send these links when you are asked. But yeah, this just takes you taking consistent daily action and getting people to know you and building no like and trust. And you'll see results eventually, but you have to understand this takes time. It's not instant. If you're one of them people that's ready to want to pay and tomorrow you want money, it's not going to work. This takes you working every single day, getting this opportunity out in front of as many people as you can, okay? And just know there are paid methods and there are free methods. I can help you with both. Like I say, I'm not a guru. I don't claim to be. But the people who I sign up under in each opportunity, I always try to sign up under very successful people in the business. Like the person that sponsored me in Digital Wealth Pros, he been in the game a long time. He know how to make money. He makes a lot of money online, and he knows what he's doing. And I can ask him any question and he'll help me. He's reached out to me and told me, you need anything, you let me know. I done asked him questions. He has helped me without no problem. So even if you join under me and I don't know something, I will find out for you. But I will share everything I know. I have traffic sources that I use that I don't mind sharing with you. I help you every step of the way. Now you do have to do your own as far as promoting and stuff. But I'm saying if you got questions, I do the best I can to help you. But just understand it's going to take effort and work on your part. But that's basically it. Just pick a platform and then just make sure you stay consistent with that platform every day. And just stay motivated, set a goal for yourself, and just take consistent daily action to get results. People are having some amazing results with this system based on them taking action daily. So, and definitely don't base your earnings off of nobody else. Make sure you're focused on your business and that you're doing your part to take action in it daily. Also just make sure that you click the bell notification. I'm sorry. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, please, and click the bell notification so you can get updates on when I post a video. And please click the like button for me. I really appreciate you taking time to check out my video. I always forget. I mean to start with that, but I always end up forgetting. But I would definitely appreciate a like or a subscription from you if you like what you hear. So that's pretty much it. I just want to kind of give you a brief rundown on, what you need to do once you get set up. Just start, get the information out there and just build relationships and just take consistent action daily. And reach out, if you join me, reach out to me if you need any help. I will put the link in the description of this video. So if you like what you see and you're ready to get started, go ahead and go to the description and click that link. If you're looking at it on Facebook, send me an inbox. I'll definitely get you the information. But that's pretty much it. Until the next video, guys. Hopefully this video comes out good. The rest of them have not, but we're going to pray this one came out pretty good. And until the next video, I will see y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.